today I'm going to make breakfast for dinner, and I'm going to make it easy. I'm making Huevos Rancheros, and I'm using a lot of store-bought or leftovers here. Here I have leftover green salsa and red salsa. And for the tostada or the fried corn tortilla, I'm just going to use a store-bought tostada. That totally makes it easy. Here I have a store-bought can of pinto beans. This is a 15-ounce can of beans. I have Mexican sour cream, eggs, and some queso fresco and sliced onion is also going to go on this. So for the beans, I'm using store-bought pinto beans. You could also use black beans. And I partially drained the can. I did leave some of the liquid in there, and I just added it here to my preheated pan with about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to season this with garlic powder, onion powder, some ground cumin, paprika, and a little bit of Knorr brand chicken bouillon powder. The way you season your beans, it's really up to you. Sometimes I even like to add just a little bit of salsa to the beans because it gives it that flavor of tomato, onion, and garlic. But again, the way you season and the type of beans you use, it's up to you. I'm going to leave them whole today and just heat them through and cook them for a little bit. You could also use your homemade frijoles de olla for this recipe, but I find canned beans are a lot more convenient when you're pressed for time. So today I want to add some sauteed onion slices. So here in a preheated pan over a medium heat, I've added just a little bit of cooking oil, and I'm going to saute just slices or rings of onion until it gets a little bit of charring and it's sauteed for a little bit. This is just going to be another topping, but it's optional. In the same pan, I'm going to cook sunny-side up eggs. You can cook your eggs how you like. And in the past, a lot of you wanted to see a time-lapsed video of how I make sunny-side up eggs, and this is it. Preheated pan, a little bit of oil, crack your egg, and let it cook over a low heat. I put it on the lowest setting. And this actually is going to be time-lapsed and sped up, but it took around 3 minutes. My first egg is done, so I'm going to create my first serving of this. For the 15-ounce can of pinto beans that I made, you can definitely get 4 single servings, and you top how you like. This is just what I'm using today. So breakfast is served. Actually, breakfast for dinner is served. This is such an easy way to make huevos rancheros. I find the store-bought products make it a lot more convenient when you're just trying to get dinner on the table. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.